Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can enable or disable search indexing on Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So in the Windows search bar, I will share to you two different methods. Type here services. That will appear under the best match, then just go ahead and click that. Now here in the services window, simply scroll down and look for the Windows search. So scroll down to W as these are arranged in alphabetical order. And look for the Windows search, this one. Make a right click, select properties. So if you want to disable this, simply click on this drop down menu and then click on disabled. Click on apply and then OK. And then just make a restart of your Windows. However, if you want to enable it, simply go back to the same services window and then look for the Windows search, right click, select properties, startup type, change this to automatic and then click on stop and then start it again, apply and then OK. Or you can just simply click on this start the service. Once done, simply close this and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. The next method number 2, type here indexing options. Best match, click on that. Then here in the indexing options, you need to click on this modify button. You have 3 buttons. Now you have to click on the modify button and you will find the Windows C drive with the arrow. Click on this arrow and then look for the users. So simply scroll down and you will find users. Simply uncheck this and then click on OK. And then close this window and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So this is how you can enable and disable the search indexing on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.